XRP on $1 today. Incredible run for the XRP. In today's episode, how XRP can reach $2.25 at least before some of the correction. And now, let's begin. Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's video, we're going to try to be as short as possible. Nevertheless, we're going to be discussing about XRP, why price is acting like this when we have SEC lawsuit and everything, why and how far can we go to the upside. Also, whoever wants to trade the Bybit and the leverage, make sure to do that through our referral link down below, and also make sure to be careful when you're trading the leverage because it's not recommended for the beginners, but you could trade short and long on the spot, which I personally recommend to do that. So the first thing first, ladies and gentlemen, this is the weekly chart. Incredible run to the upside. This is the double trade that I did. First, I'm going to cover that very quickly. After we had this spike over here, if you remember that GameStop, I think it was over here in February, or actually it was the January or something, we managed to buy somewhere approximately over here, I think, and we sold over here on 62, I think, something like this. This was the trade, and I sold immediately the same day or in the 24 hours because it was way overextended. We did video on that, I told you, and right after my sell order, actually few minutes or the hour, XRP went down in this big consolidation pattern over here. Even on the weekly chart, you can see one big consolidation pattern, and if we switch to the daily chart and put on hour over here, you can see that this consolidation phase over here was since 1st February all the way over here to the 25th March. So we had pretty much 2 months consolidation on the XRP over here. Very legit consolidation actually. As you can see, after the 25th March, we managed to break very poorly over here, which means we entered some sort of a accumulation phase, and then the next candle, the next insane big candle was 5th of April yesterday, big push to the upside. And we have something very interesting on this level. This level of approximately 91 cents is very, very important, and I'm about to show you why, and after that we're going to discuss about the target. Why is the target 2.25 the next target actually, and before some sort of a possibility for correction and then further push to the upside. So the next target for me is 2.25, and I'm about to show you why. So first thing first over here, let's cover why we hit over here and why I personally believe that we may see consolidation around this area over here. As you can see, today's week is showing us a lot of volatility over here, and this should give you the clue that we're going to see some volatility around 90 cents, even maybe a little bit drop to the 78 before we break it again. It could happen. We may just as well stay over here and push to the upside, but be prepared for some consolidation over here if it happens. So if we take Fibonacci level measurement over here, put on the high of 3.33 and push it all the way to this drop over here that we had in March, and just let it there, what you can see is most important Fibonacci level 0.618% is standing right there, and as you can see, very good target, and that's 0 point. We can actually zoom in so you can see if you want to, and as you can see over here, it's 0.6188%, and that's this red line that we covered. If we exclude it, you can see that's the place that we are going to see most probably resistance in the next period. If we close above this level today, we may see continuation push to the upside, but me personally, I would like to see still some sort of a consolidation so we can have bigger push afterwards and not just push and then, you know, dump to the downside. I would personally more like to see some sort of consolidation first. Now let's discuss about the target. As you can see, Alessio also discussed about this, and I like what I heard from him, and actually that's something that is coming true over here. The first wave of the Elliott theory over here is here, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, this over here confirms the first wave, and the next second wave is actually the dump of the SEC lawsuit. That panic button that we pressed bottomed on approximately 0.17. As Alessio said, he would be extremely bearish if we close below this line, but luckily XRP did not close below this line. So means that it returned to its path to the upside. Now after wave 2, it goes much bigger wave 3. How could we determine the target for the XRP and the whole third wave of the Elliott theory? We can just take the Fibonacci level. We should measure the whole first wave, okay? And then you can just take this and put on the bottom of the wave 2, which could give us approximately 2.25 or 2.27 over here, the next target for the XRP. This is the next target, my personal target, that I would expect for the XRP. No, I'm not going to sell XRP. I'm still going to hold it at least until of this level. I personally believe that we may even break 2.25 and continue pushing to the upside before some major fall correction after that wave 3. So make sure to observe this zone over here. This is going to be important to watch and to discuss in the next videos. This is what I'm expecting in the next weeks or so. Now, one more clue why I think that this push is still not done yet. As you can see in the previous highs over here, we managed one high over here, we managed even one more, and as you can see on the RSI, we follow the same path over here. As you can see, higher high and higher high, no divergences, right? Important thing is what is happening right now. With this price action over here, higher high and the lower high over here, we have on the RSI higher high where the lower high is over here, and we have beginning of the new high, which means the more money is getting into the XRP. Me personally, I do believe that the RSI is going to go much higher over here, so it will make another high or at least double top formation before we see any sort of retrace whatsoever. So we have a long way to go. If however XRP makes over here a little bit correction on the RSI, well, that could be counted as the bearish divergence. I just want you to put you that on your chart and in your head so you could know what to observe in the future. But I personally believe that this RSI has much bigger way to the upside before we see even much higher prices, as I predicted at least 2.25. Observe that price, that's at least the next target, or we may even push much higher before that correction. And to sum it up, fundamentals are not affecting this price over here. Price is actually affecting the price. Price is going to tell you where the price may be and where my price will be. So make sure to remember that situation around SEC and XRP is still wrong and bad right now, but the price is still moving, which means those fundamentals have no effects over here. We are in the bull market. I do believe we're going to have a couple of months of the bull market for sure, and the XRP is just starting to surge to the upside. I hope you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know in the comment section down below. Hit that like and subscribe button. Whoever wants to trade, you have the Bybit referral link down below. I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos, and until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.